Well, having the market started rather firmly this week. Expect a very strong week to continue all the way through. However, I am someone who is a big believer in the saying, a rooster one day, a feather duster the next. We have to be careful that we don't get too confident here, because it is starting to become a little bit too easy to be long in the market and a winner. I think my gut feeling is that's how it's going to be for several weeks now. Going forward, perhaps several months. We are in an acceleration phase. At the same time, that doesn't mean that we can't have, as day traders, if you like, buy a lot more stock each day. It makes the market a little bit more vulnerable to maybe the occasional spike to the downside when there's an unexpected news story or political or macroeconomic development. Overall, though, the maximum dominant risk scenario is that the market accelerates to the upside. I've been saying all year how this is going to be a very strong end of year acceleration phase in equity markets, because we're going a lot higher. Most of you will know that I'm forecasting the Dow Jones index to rise to 20,000 and possibly to do so by the end of next year. So this is definitely an acceleration phase, setting us up for a strong end of year close moving into 2014. That's how we have to view the current short-term price action. It's an acceleration phase of a much bigger force, and that force is a rather more robust and prosperous global economy than most people have been expecting. So going forward through this week, don't forget China manufacturing PMI on Friday is likely to be a good number. The market is likely to be continued to be supported by data coming out of China and Asia generally, as well as firming economic data domestically in the United States, which is probably going to get over, if you like, that partial government shutdown as if it was a very minor hiccup indeed. So a very positive outlook. The trick is stay bullish even if we do get the occasional short-term spike to the downside, but the risk is very much to the upside. Thank you.